Hi everyone, today we're making Confetti Apple Custard Milkshake. Are you curious? Well, this is very easy to prepare, just a few ingredients and a few minutes and you have a nice creamy, wonderfully attractive milkshake. The appearance of confetti-like red specks makes this drink all the more attractive when served in tall, slender glasses. The use of custard in this milkshake makes it creamy with an ice cream-like flavor with the addition of apple and glazed cherry. A wonderful mix, a wonderful combination. Let's try it out. So for this recipe, you will need 1 red apple, nice and sweet. You also need glazed cherries, about 3 glazed cherries, and make sure your glazed cherries taste good. Some glazed cherries tend to taste like cough syrup, so you don't want to use that in your milkshake. We also need a 400-gram can of ready-made custard. I'm using Ambrosia Devon custard that's ready-made, creamy and delicious. If you don't have this, you can make your own custard using Bird's custard powder. Just follow the package instructions to make around the same amount. So we're going to add the ready-made custard into our blender, and the custard is chilled prior to making the milkshake. To this we're adding 3 glazed cherries, 1 red sweet apple, and don't peel the apple, you want that beautiful red skin. That's what is going to give you that confetti-like look throughout the drink. We also need 1 tablespoon of Indian sarsaparilla syrup. This adds a wonderful dimension to this milkshake. And we're also going to add cold milk. You can add 1.5 to 2 cups of milk, around the same amount of milk as you're adding custard. Now, since the custard is already sweetened with vanilla and sugar, here we don't need to add any more extra sugar. Just add it all together and blend. And you have a nice, chilled, creamy, smooth confetti apple custard milkshake. This is a great milkshake to make during Ramadan for the fasting season. You can garnish if desired with apple or cherry, but the milkshake looks simple and pretty and elegant with this confetti texture. So I hope you try this simple, easy recipe and let me know if you do. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye! Enjoy your confetti apple custard milkshake. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!